Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about the topic called time and distance. So here are the important formulas. Speed equals to distance by time equals to speed by distance, and distance equals to speed into time. Converting kilometer per hour to meter per second. Kilometer per hour equals to x 5 by 18 meter per second. Similarly, meter per second equals to kilometer per hour. So x meter per second equals to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Here is one of the important point. If the ratio of speeds of A and B is small a is to small b, then the ratio of time taken to cover the same distance is 1 by a is to 1 by b. So here is our first problem. A person crosses a 600 meters long street in 5 minutes. What is his speed in kilometer per hour? So as we know this formula, speed equals to distance by time. The distance given is 600 meter per second, the 600 meters, and the time is 300 seconds. So the speed is 2 meter per second, and we have to convert this into kilometer per hour. After converting this, we will get the 7.2 kilometer per hour as a answer. So let's solve this second question. An aeroplane covers a certain distance at a speed of 240 kilometer per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in 1 2/3 hours, must travel at a speed of. So first here we have to find the distance. Distance equals to speed into time. Here the speed is 240 kilometer per hour and the time is 5 hours. So here the value is kilometers, 1200 kilometers. So the speed equals to the speed at it should travel equals to distance by time. So the distance is 1200 kilometers and the time is 1 2/3, which can be written as 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So 1200 into 3 by 5. We can write like this. So here 5 twos are 10, 240 into 3. 720 kilometer per hour is the answer, which is option D. Let's discuss this third problem. If a person walks at 14 kilometer per hour instead of 10 kilometer per hour, he would have walked 20 kilometers more. The actual distance traveled by him is. So here actual speed equals to 10 kilometer per hour. Let the distance he traveled with the 10 kilometer per hour is d. So here what is the time? P equals to distance by speed, which is d by 10. So this is first one, and second one, they told if he walks at 14 kilometer per hour, he would have walked 20 kilometers more. So here the other speed is 14 kilometer per hour, and the distance he traveled is d plus 20, because he walked 20 kilometers more in the same time, I think. So here the time is d plus 20 by 14. So here the time is same on both cases. So we can equate those. D by 10 equals to d plus 20 by 14. 2 5s are 2 7s are. 7d minus 5d equals to 20 into 5. So 2d equals to 100, d equals to 50 kilometers, which is option A. Let's solve this fourth question. A train can travel 50% faster than a car. Both start from point A at the same time and reach point B 75 km away from the point A at the same time. On the way, however, the train lost about 12.5 minutes while stopping at the stations. What is the speed of the car? So here, let speed of the car be x kilometer per hour. Then speed of train equals to speed of train the train can travel 50% faster. So here 1.5x. How we got this? We got x plus 0.5x. That's why it's 1.5x. So here they gave train lost about 12.5 minutes. So here what is the time took by the car to reach the 75 kilometer, to travel 75 kilometer, which is 75 by x, distance by speed, right? So minus 75 by 1.5x equals to, it lost 12.5 minutes. Train lost 12.5 minutes. So which is 125 by 10. 12.5 can be written as 125 by 10 into 60 converted into hours. Since it is in kilometers, it is in kilometer per hour. We can write it as like this: 50 by x equals to 5 by 24. Here the value of x equals to 25 into 24 by 5, which is 120 kilometer per hour. Option C. Let's solve fifth question. Excluding stoppages, the speed of the bus is 54 km per hour. Including stoppages, it is 45 km per hour. Here, suppose uh, there are n number of stoppages, right? So here they asked how many minutes does the bus stop per hour. So here, in first case, without stoppages, the bus is traveling 54 kilometers in 1 hour. Including stoppages, it traveled only 45 kilometer in 1 hour. So here what we can observe is it's due to the stoppings, it is not traveling 9 kilometers. So how much time it will take to travel 9 minutes with 54 kilometer per hour speed? So time equals to distance by speed. How much distance? 9 by how much time? 54 kilometer per hour is in kilometer. 1 by 6 hours. We have to convert this into minutes. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, which is 10 minutes. So the answer is 10, which is option B.